Say cheese. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, wait. Oh, I can't flip it there. Okay. So we are at Huntington Beach, and we just met this guy with this really cute doggy. Now look at all these birds. Oh my God, there's so many. I've never seen so many birds in my life. I want them to just get up and fly away. If they shit on us, it's not my fault. Hey, I see us approaching, Joe. I see us approaching. What if they peck us to death?
Oh, no. That'd be very rude.
Look, they're freaking out. They're freaking out, Joe. They're freaking out, Joe. Oh, that's so cool. Joe, look. That's so awesome.
Oh, shit, they're coming over.
Oh, look, there's birds everywhere.
They're gonna poop on us just on purpose.
For revenge. Let's go get these ones now. Oh, look, there's so much over there. Okay, this one's closer. And we are approaching. That was the coolest thing I've ever seen. Ow! There's seashells in the sand.
A lot of them too.
Oh, sorry. Showing the ground. Okay. Sneak up so we can get close. They're running away already. Like, some of them are smart. They started walking away already. The other ones are just like, let's see what happens. Ready, birds? Ready, birds? Ready? Ah! That's so cool. No, don't sit down. There's so many. Look at the little kids are chasing him over there. You think they'll let me walk in between them? Like they'll open a path for me? Ah! Oh, this is awesome. Oh my God. So many birds. Okay, I guess I'm done fucking with the birds. Look at the sunset. Well, it hasn't set yet, but... What is those people doing? Ew, they're in my video. I don't want to see you have sex on the beach. Save that for tonight. Hey, look, I can see the moon. Okay, so how close are we going to get? Are we going to lifeguard post?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, we should say goodbye now.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.